You know you're addicted, but here's the problem. You don't know how to fix it, and that is why you stay stuck. Listen carefully. You don't need motivation. You need control. Step 1. Cut the noise. Delete the apps. Turn off notifications because every beep is stealing your focus. Step 2. Do hard things. Daily. Workout. Learn. Build something. Even when you don't feel like it. Because discipline is the only cure. Step 3. Sit in silence. No phone. No music. Just you and your thoughts. It will feel uncomfortable. Good. That means it's working. Your brain needs to reset. Not more distraction. Right now, you have 2 choices. Stay addicted, stay average, or take control and become dangerous. No one is coming to fix you. This is on you. Start today or regret it later.